So we're in 2025, a brand new year, new goals, new things to get done. This year, I have one big goal that I want to share with you guys. Well, technically, there's two big goals that I want to share with you guys. But before we get into the goals, right, what I'm going to do is document this from day one, which is going to be tomorrow, right, to the day that we actually accomplish the goals. The way that I'm going to document this journey is going to be by three ways. YouTube is going to be a full video, pretty much if I do take a trade, right? It's going to have something to do with trading, right? The goal is with trading. But let's say on YouTube, let's say if I do take a trade, I win the trade or lose the trade or not even take a trade, I'm just going to document myself. I'm like, hey, today we made this much and then here's the breakdown. Today I lost this much and here's the breakdown. Today I didn't make any trade, but look, this was what I was looking for, right? YouTube short as well. It's going to be a very quick video, less than 1 minute. I'm going to show you guys, hey, look, I've made this much today. This was a trade. Instagram is going to be the same exact thing, right? This is the new Instagram page, so you guys can go and follow. But this year, the goal is to get funded over $1 million with prop firm. I've never done this, never tried even trading with funded account. All the time I've always been trading with my own broker, with my own personal life capitals. Never really tried with funded account due to some reason that I'm going to explain to you guys. But that's one of the goals. Second goal is to hit $100,000 in withdrawal just with trading. Last year I did do a profits over $180,000, right? But it was a mix with trading and a mix with my online business. Online business I did do like around $138 to $136,000. The rest was with trading, which was, I gotta pull this out so I can show you guys, but it was somewhere between there. But that's what I did last year. Total last year revenue was over $180,000. I still haven't broken the $100,000 years, right? I've always been stuck in there, which is nothing to complain about, right? Obviously, I'm grateful. I've been doing this for the past 4 years. Been amazing. Obviously, this year is to a complete breakdown and just hit the 200,000, right? Which is going to be $250,000, but that's going to be the goal for this year as well. Maybe we hit it, maybe we do something even bigger, right? But obviously, the goal is just to document everything. So yeah, so right here, I have the system. You guys can see this. Wow. It's kind of annoying because I'm not in my house. I've been traveling the past weeks. Right now, I'm in another state. I've been in Boston for about 2 weeks in Boston. Came back to Miami where I live, moved to another place. Been here for about a few weeks already. I'm going to stay here for 2 more weeks. Go back to my house in Miami. After Miami, I'm going to go back into Puerto Rico. Come back, go to Colombia. It's going to be a lot of traveling this year, which is going to be fun, which I'm going to take you guys in. Right now, so you guys can see, I'm in another state. It's snowing. It doesn't really snow in Miami. This is the first time I'm actually seeing snow as well. Thanks to trading, I was able to see snow. Very fucking dope. But let's get back into this video. But check this out. I'm gonna show you guys the system. Here's the plan to get funded the $1 million. Here's the goal: 100,000 withdrawal by December 31st, 2025. Right now we're in January 9th, so we're in a very, very long way to get there. So we're 11 months away from that. Monthly return 8%, 8 to 10%. Weekly return is 2 to 2.5%, right? So I'm only aiming 2% every single week, right? So usually if I hit 2%, I am done for the week. If I hit that 8% before the month end or right at the month, then I'm done for the month as well with trading. Here's the two accounts that I'm focusing in. Top Step, US30 or YM, right? $500,000 in that account. Fundy Pips, gold only, $500,000 as well. If you guys recommend different prop firm, you guys can leave it down in the comments, but these are so far the ones that I pretty much like. Risk management, we're going to be only risking 1% per account, right? We're going to be risking 0.5 to 1% per account. Max weekly drawdown is 2% per account. So if I lose 2 trades, then I'm done for the week and just wait for the next week to come. So obviously we can restart. Max drawdown per account is going to be 5%, right? So 2% a week. If we lose those 2%, we're going to stop trading. If we hit a 5%, we're going to stop trading that month and then obviously come back the next month. This right here, all right, we're only going to be aiming for 1 to 2 trades. Profit goes just 2% a week. Monthly target, I'm only going to be focused on high quality, right? Low frequency trade. Win rate, right? This is so far the win rate from my back testing of my strategy, 60 to 65% win rate. Here are my risk to reward, 101.5 to 102, right? So this is pretty much what I'm going to be aiming for. Maybe even a 103, right? But mostly this is what I like the most, 102. Risk management, right? Profit target is per month is 5,000 to 10,000 and then slowly scale to 40 to 50,000 once we get more in funded. So 5,000 to 10,000 is once we get funded over $100,000, right? This is the profit goals. After that, we're going to scale that up to hit $40,000 to $50,000 once we have more in funded. Withdrawal, after hitting 8 to 10% each profit, withdraw profit regularly, right? So this is what we're going to withdraw every single month, right? So we're going to show you guys that, the withdrawals every single time. Review and adjust, pretty much this is what I do as well with my life capital, and we're going to do this with the funded capital as well, just copy and paste. We're going to review everything, every trade that I take. We're going to do a journal, right? I have a journal section over here where I journal. We're going to journal every single trade. We're gonna see what we did good, what we did wrong as well. And then this over here is the system, right? This is a trade that I'm gonna be taking every single time. This is what I have to be looking for, right? Market structure, identify trend, right? This over here. This is all the things that I need, right? This is a system that I need to pass the challenges, and this is the only trades that I'm only gonna be taking. Very, very simple. So again, we're just gonna be focusing on making 2% a week, 2.5% a week, or 8 to 10% a month, right? Keep it very, very simple. If you guys can do the math for each account, right? 500, 2% of 500,000, 2% or 8% of 500,000. Combine that all together, it's a lot of money, which is very, very dope. The whole point of trading is to keep it very, very simple. Less is always going to be more. So this is the exact same plan that I use for my life capital as well. 2% a week, 8 to 10% a month, right? Keep it very, very simple. So yeah, so it's going to be the plan for this year. I'm going to document everything from day one to the day that we actually accomplish it. Show you guys the win and show you guys the losses. If we lose the account, I'm going to show it to you guys, right? It's going to be full transparency with you guys. If we hit the goal, or if we do not hit the goal, but right? The whole point is to show you guys this journey. Hopefully we hit it. We're going to do this. If you guys have any recommendation, you guys can leave a comment always down below.